Paul Hollywood would like you to make 6 miniature pineapple upside-down cakes. Each should be topped with a fresh pineapple ring and soaked in caramel syrup.
You have 90 minutes. On your marks.
Get set.
Bake!
This is a classic bake. Pineapple upside-down cake is something I used to have at school dinners many, many moons ago.
It does look lovely. Should we taste it?
It's light, buttery, but also you have the perfect caramel. If it goes too dark, it's too bitter. If you can't see the caramel, you're not going to be able to get that caramel flavour. And also, the worst thing is ripping the sponge when they're trying to get it out.
Getting it out of the tin is where most people come unstuck because the caramel sticks to the edge and it's really difficult.
What does it taste like to you, Shannon?
It tastes, I don't know, like wine.
Why does it taste like that?
It's smooth.
Yeah, it tastes smoky.
Why does it taste smooth? Hey, don't you scratch it?
Like blackberries?
Jacket?
And cherries.
How many comments have you
What do you
got?
think?
I'm not good at reviews. I just know that I like it.
What would you pair it with?
Maybe dark chocolate.
Ooh, that would be good. What about savory?
No. I would go
A
with chocolate.
big juicy steak.
That would go really good with this.
Yum.